Assalamu alaikum all. Welcome to my channel Islamic Learning Corner. Among many blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, one is sleeping. Usually people sleep at night, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made night for the comfort of people. As it is narrated in Surah Qasas ayah 72. Say, have you considered if Allah should make for you the day continuous until the day of resurrection? What deity other than Allah could bring you a night in which you may rest? Then will you not see? Whenever work is done according to the Sunnah way, it becomes a source of reward and blessing for the moment. Therefore, in today's lesson, I will teach you about the Sunnah way of sleeping. But before moving further ahead, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon below so that you will get timely updates. And yes, don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Sunnah way of sleeping. Do wuzu and use miswak. Dust your bed thrice. Sleep on your right side. Place your hand under your right cheek. Face the Qibla if possible. Recite Ayatul Kursi and Surah Mulk. Recite Surah Falak, Surah Nas and Surah Ikhlas thrice and blow over your body. Recite dua before sleeping. Switch off the lights. Make niyat to wake up for tahajjud. Jazakallah.